Multiplication and division. Multiplication of large numbers. You are already familiar with the concept of multiplication and the terms used in it. For example, factors and product. Let us now learn about multiplying large numbers. When we multiply two numbers, the number which is multiplied is called the multiplicand. The number by which we multiply is called the multiplier. The answer is called the product. For example, multiplying by a two-digit number. Example 1. Ms. Nisha earns 20,450 every month. How much money will she earn in 2 years? 1 year is equal to 12 months. So, 2 years is equal to 12 times 2 equals 24 months. We need to find Step 1. Multiply the multiplicand by the ones digit of the multiplier. Here, it is 4. Step 2. Multiply the multiplicand by the tens digit of the multiplier. Here, it is 2 tens is equal to 20. Step 3. Add the partial products obtained. Thus, Ms. Nisha would earn 4,90,800 in 2 years. Multiplication by multiples of 10. On multiplying a number by 10, 100, 1000, etc., the product will be the number with the same number of zeros in multiplier to the extreme right of the number. For example, 2344 times 10 equals 23,440. 5,672 times 100 equals 5,67,200 and so on. If you have to multiply a number by 20, 200, 2000, etc., then multiply the number by 2 and place the same number of zeros as in the multiplier to the extreme right of the product. For example, 38,145 times 200 equals 76,29,000. Properties of multiplication. 1. If a number is multiplied by 1, the product is the number itself. For example, 3,250 times 1 equals 3,250. 2. If a number is multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. For example, 7,426 times 0 equals 0. 3. Two numbers can be multiplied in any order, but the product remains the same. For example, 35 times 10 equals 350 and 10 times 35 equals 350. 4. When 3 or more numbers are multiplied together, they can be grouped in any sequence, but the final product remains unchanged. For example, 25 times 75 times 40 is equal to 1,875 times 40 equals 75,000. 25 times 40 times 75 is equal to 25 times 3,000 equals 75,000. And 25 times 40 times 75 is equal to 1,000 times 75 equals 75,000. Thus, 25 times 75 times 40 is equal to 25 times 40 times 75 is equal to 25 times 40 times 75. Division of large numbers. Division of large numbers is also done in the same manner as the division of small numbers. Let us recall the terms of division before we proceed further. The number that is divided is called the dividend. The number which divided is called the divisor. The number of times the divisor exists in the dividend is called the quotient. The leftover number is called the remainder. Division by a two-digit number. Let us understand the division by a two-digit number through an example. Example 1. A factory produced 99,400 balloons in a month and put them into packets of 51 balloons each. Find the number of packets. Solution: 99,400 divided by 51 is equal to. Method 1. Expanded division method. 1000 plus 900 plus 40 plus 9 is equal to. Multiples. When two or more numbers are multiplied, then the product is called multiple of both the numbers. For example, 3 times 4 equals 12, then 12 is multiple of both 3 and 4. Common multiples. A number which is divisible by 2 or more numbers is called a common multiple of those numbers. Let us find common multiples of 4 and 6. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54. So, common multiples of 4 and 6 are 12, 24, 36 and 48. Factors. The numbers that are multiplied to get a product are called factors. Take 3 times 6 equals 18. Here, 3 and 6 are the factors of 18. Also, we can say, a number which divides another number leaving no remainder is called a factor. For example, 12 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 exactly without leaving a remainder. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors of 12. Properties. 1 is the factor of every number. Every number is the greatest factor of itself. Every factor of the number is either less than or equal to the number. Every number other than 1 has at least 2 factors, that is, 1 and the number itself. Common factors. A factor which is common in 2 or more numbers is called a common factor. Let us find the common factors of 16 and 32. Factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Factors of 32 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32.